we are telling you now. Those of you that are arguing with tithe and offering, God don't catch you now. Go they argue with tax.
Let's enjoy the
So
part.
yes, it will be easier for the authorities to track compliance, but again, your bank balance will not be taxed. Profits and income are what will be taxed. Number 7, will I pay tax on the loan I borrow from fair money or any lender? You know yourself. That one that they will now be calling everybody, sending text to people. No, loans are not taxable, given that they are not income. However, the interest income earned by fair money will be taxed at their own hands. So if you go and borrow money now, that money you borrowed, even though it came to you like an income, it is not considered an income because it is a loan. But now the person giving you the loan, if the person collects interest from you, they will now pay tax on the interest they collected from you. But the question is, how will we know that the money that came to you is a loan? Are you seeing where record comes in? So, sorry, I mean 2 million, man. Hey, yeah, 2 million, just send me 2 million. Just borrow me 2 million. And then the person now sent 2 million to you and he didn't write loan there. He now sent 2 million as discussed. What were we discussing? And then you are now trying to tell them that it's loan. What is the document that backs up the loan? So if someone is giving you a loan and it is not a statutory or organizational or loan from any, it's maybe one-on-one, have a document. It can even be WhatsApp, you print it out, you file it with the dates. Number 8, I run a one-man business. Do I pay personal income tax or company income tax? We are going deeper now. Now listen, if registered as an enterprise, business name, you will pay personal income tax. If registered as a limited liability company, then you pay company income tax. Now what's the difference? Now listen, when you want to register a business in Nigeria, you can go and do what we call registration of business name. When you do registration of business name, it is cheaper. That registration of business name makes you to do business legally with that name. But there are advantages and disadvantages. Now, one of the disadvantages of the registration of business name is that that business and you are still like the same person. So that is why you pay personal income tax. If that business gets into trouble, you are in trouble. If that business has liability, the liability is on you. But now if you do incorporated, you register your business as a limited liability company, that company is an entity. You are an entity. If that company is owing, you are not owing. Nobody can come and meet you that you are owing them money because it is the company that he is owing. So for that one, you can earn from that company and do payee. Or you earn from the company and do personal assessments. But that company will now pay company income tax, not you. And if that company does not make profit, the company will not pay tax. So if there's no income, there's no tax. So that's why you have profit before tax, profit after tax. You have gross profit, you have net profit. All these are things that you can now understand if you're a business person. Now, number 9, if I sell shares and make profit, will I pay tax in 2026? No.
Oh, wow.
As long as the shares you sold are not more than 150 million in value. These are part of the good aspect of it. It's a very good law.
It's a good law.
If you study very well. So this one now, if you sell all your shares, as long as you have not made 150 million, you are not paying any tax. It's free money. So you see now, this is why it will be good for you to begin to consider stockbroking now, to start buying shares, buying shares. Because any money you are using to buy shares now, when you are getting your money back, as long as the shares you sold is less than 150 million, is tax free. And the gain is not above 10 million. You know that the money you sold is 150, no tax. But if they now look at how much did you gain, if the gain you made is not more than 10 million, no tax. But anything above that 10 million, they will tax you. So that's, however, if it is higher than this threshold, the gain becomes taxable. So what that means is, if for instance now you sold now 150 million, you are not paying taxes. But if inside that 150 million, maybe when you bought the shares, it was 142, and now it's 150, you have only made a profit of 8 million, no tax. But if when you sold it, and when you bought it was 110, and now it's 150, you know you have made a profit of 40 million. So you will now remove 10 million. Then the remaining 30, you will now be taxed on it. Do you understand now? So those are the reasons why you need a tax consultant. So those of you that are accountants, that are tax professional, a new market has opened for you. So go and register yourself, position yourself, so that you can become a personal tax consultant, you can become a personal financial advisor. So a new business is opening up now for people in the financial sector to become tax consultants and financial managers for individuals and for family. 10. I'm a pensioner. Will my pension income be taxed in 2026? No. Approved pension and retirement benefits are exempt from tax.
But this is reasonable.
Did you know the use of the word approved? Approved pension. So that is why, you know, we already have the pension fund administrators. So if you have a pension fund administrator and you went through the process either as a government staff or as a private staff, and you have a PFA that manages your fund, nothing will be deducted. 11. Are military salaries taxable? No. The salaries of military officers are now tax exempt. So if you want to make money now, go and join military, join police, join soldier, join navy, join air force. So when you join any, because they want to encourage people that are serving us. These are the good parts. People that are serving us, risking their life for us. Any money, how much are they really paying them? That they will not be taxing them again. So there is no more tax for every one of them. So all of you that have these people in your family, more money in their pockets.
Wow.
Do creatives, authors, musicians, sportsmen still enjoy tax exemption on foreign income? No. They must now pay Nigerian tax on their income earned within Nigeria and outside. Now this one is for all those social media influencers, creative that are making noise at $200 million. YouTube is paying me, Facebook is paying me. You better watch your mouth now. Because as YouTube is paying you, Nigeria want to collect their portion. So before now, if you're an author like me now, my book is on Amazon, my book is everywhere. So all of us, we know ourselves. We that are making money in different currencies, we have already prepared ourselves. So musicians, any money they make outside Nigeria, they don't normally pay tax. So they have account abroad, they'll keep the money there, come to Nigeria. But now, anywhere you have money, by yourself, report yourself. Are crypto gains taxable? Yes. So profit from crypto, NFTs, and other digital assets are now taxed. So don't say my own is cryptocurrency, is a crypto wallet, I'm going to hide the wallet. There is no hiding any wallet, or the wallet you to jail.
Just
14. Who is exempt from personal income tax? Individuals earning the national minimum wage or less, and those earning below 800,000 annually are now exempt from tax.
Wow.
So if the money you are earning every year is less than 800,000, what's the minimum wage in Nigeria now? 70,000. 77. Okay.
Wow.
So if you are earning minimum wage or less, no tax. 800,000 per annum or less, no tax.
Wow.
So if you are working in different organization, you put it to now sit down to look into how to calculate that. What are the new progressive tax band? Where is that one now? The new progressive tax band, okay. It's not showing in the media. Let me go here. Okay, is there a way you guys can bring it to the middle for me? Let me, so that I can be more legible for me to see. Okay, thank you. Now, This is the new bracket now.